Erica here from Seattle Cucina Cooking School. Welcome back to our series, 3 Ways to Cook Anything. Today we're going to be working with the oh-so-sturdy carrot. We're going to begin with a very simple roasted carrot with a tahini dressing. Let's get going. Next, we're going to make a carrot and cardamom pudding, which is often eaten during Diwali as a scrumptious and pretty simple dessert. Just gently first mash them a little bit with the mortar and pestle to release all of the seeds. And I want to remove the outer shell. Already ground cardamom works totally fine in this as well if you do not have a mortar and pestle. Makes for an excellent snack on an open-faced sandwich or with some plain rice, brown or white. You can add whatever you'd like to this carrot mayo salad. I like to keep it super simple, but you can add maybe some curry or cumin powder. You could add raisins.